Here is the most important part of the review: the battery. The box claims a runtime of up to 60 minutes. You need to know this is only on the lowest standard suction setting, with no powered attachments. In my real-world testing, I got a much more realistic 20 to 25 minutes when I was actively switching between standard and medium modes to clean my entire apartment. If I used max mode constantly, the battery was dead in under 10 minutes. This isn't actually a complaint. This performance is typical for the industry. That 45 kilopascals of suction power has to come from somewhere, and it drinks battery juice. The good news is the battery is detachable, so you could buy a second one and swap it out for a deep cleaning session. For my 1,200 square foot apartment, I could just finish the whole place on one charge if I moved quickly. The dustbin is huge, which I love. I only had to empty it once after a full house clean.